Hi guys, so today we are making the cart, which is the last thing that you put together in series 1. You're going to need 2 squares for this. I think I'm going to do 5-inch squares so I can get 2 out of 1 piece of paper. Alright, so now we're going to fold these as we do before. Fold each one in half. Then in half again. Then in and then label A through P. Alright, so now we have 2 folded pieces of paper. For the actual cart, you're going to cut off A, E, I, and M. So you're left with just B through P. Alright, so you're going to cut down between B and C. You're going to cut between C and D. You're going to cut between N and O and P. And this is just making a little cart. Just like this. So you can tape or glue that, and then we'll move on to the next part. So, for our next piece, we're going to make A, E, I, and M wheels. So, let's see. I'm just going to use this. I want to make the circle the same, so all the wheels are the same. So, I'm just going to use this little piece of tape to make exactly the same size circle. So find something circly. This, the inside of this, something like this, the bottom of your glue if it's a circle, just anything to make some circles. Now this, C and G are going to be the bottoms. And then, let's see. So I'm going to draw this out here. You ignore J, N, L, and P. So use half of K. Here's the harness. And then for this, you're just going to draw some points to put your wheels on. If you want them to be equal, you can just draw points on one side and then fold it down to cut out the other, but I'm not a big deal. So now you're going to cut out this whole piece here and your wheels. 1 minute. Now you're going to bend these down, and this is what you're going to glue your wheels to. But first, glue your top on. Now it does say in the book that if you want it to stand up to any sort of play, they recommend putting a wire through the wheels so that it will stand up straight and correctly. Said also you can use a piece of cotton thread or string. I'm going to use this to poke a hole in to put the wire in. This is for bookbinding. It's like an awl. I like the idea of the string better. I think that would work a lot better because now I don't know what to do. Do like that. I'm going to use a bookbinding needle. You can use any other kind of needle to thread it through. I'm going to tie another knot in it to keep it in place. There, I like that. I weigh a lot better. So, after some trial and error, I would vote the string method to hold the wheels in place. But there you have it. There's your cart.